shit in music theory, that's an assumption. I'm shit in music theory, that's a fact. And the traction gods, they know that, they know everything. They build the simulation, so they've come up with the solution. So what are you talking about, Merzaud? Well, I'm talking about never getting out of keys, because you're no goddamn locksmith, you're the goddamn producer. If you go out of keys, you're out of keys, you don't know shit. And unless a random guy you know who's mastered the skill of locksmithing and music production tells you, hey, piece of shit, you dump, you dipshit, you idiot, you're out of key, obviously your 808 is, where's your 808 at, you know? Then you just want to kill yourself. And I get that, I've been there, you know? So we're gonna eliminate that. We're gonna kill it before we go over there. Now how do we do that? Again, traction gods, the high beings, you know. Oh, pray to traction god, thank you. Very good, traction god. Now I got traction open in 3 different screens because I'm triple the fraction, fanatic, fabulous. That's all the F words I know. Or do I? Hey, but here's the thing, if my traction looks a bit different than yours, that's just because I'm using the beta version. And not to alarm y'all, but hey, the future is amazing. The future is coming. I don't know what's the dialogue. It's some dialogue. Just put it down in the comments if y'all know that. In settings under appearance, there's MIDI note color. What's that? It's gold, you know, it's beautiful. That's the key to everything. That's unlock superpowers that go like pew pew pew. And it's amazing. I'm not gonna put those things that just look dumb. Now let's talk normally. How would you normally make a melody? Would you go like beep 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 boop boo? And you never know if that's in key or if that's out of key unless you know music theory. Unlike me, I don't know music theory and that's just random keys for me. So the way you can get this is by just highlighting the current keys in the MIDI background. So boom, once you do that, nothing happened. What? That's because we're in C major, you idiot. We have to change it. Because C major is the default for every single keyboard. But now if I change it, god damn, look at that. Look at the white and the blacks, right? Look at those. So boom. You can see them shift, right? So when you have your highlight current key in MIDI background disabled, your white and your black overlays on your MIDI console or whatever correlates to the white and your black keys on your MIDI keyboard, right? But once you have that enabled, they actually correlate to your in and out keys. So everything white is in key and everything black is out of key. If you can see right now, I have all of them on a white note because I'm in key. And if I change them, you can see these two are now out of key because again, the white and the black, once this is enabled, correlate to your in and out keys. Now you can take it a step further by, you know, using these color codes right over here. So honestly, I have no clue what the second one is. I've never used it, never come across it, but 1, 3, and 4 are the ones you gotta keep in mind. Now let's focus on the third and fourth one because it's actually similar to the highlight current key thingy-make-jiggy. So if I click on this and this, you can see nothing really happens because we first have to enable it. So let's select it and enable this 4 square color thingy, right? So right now you can see everything that I can go on the white one are actually in key, so it's in key scale notes, which is yellow. But as I go on the black one, which is actually out of key, it's out of key scale notes. You can see that. So now you can make melodies or whatever you want, you know, you just keep clicking, and when you see a red note, you're like, okay, that's out of key, so you know, you just drag it on to a blue one. But you can actually take this a step further. What? Yeah, seriously. So the first one, the in chord notes, actually helps you make chords because right now if you just keep clicking and you try and make chords, you actually never know if you're making a chord or just a random bunch of triads, you know. So the way you actually do that, you open a chord track, you drop this over there, and let me just choose a random preset. I'll choose the 50s because I like the 50s. So now you know everything blue is an in chord note because I have it as blue, set as blue. So right now that's a perfect chord traction says. Hey, that's perfect. Let's duplicate. You see that's out of chord. So perfect. So you can see actually how quickly you can make chords. Now this is probably not going to sound good. I don't think so. Yeah, it sounds shit. But you know what I'm saying. You can do all kind of cool stuff. Now that's it. All you got to focus on are out key scale notes, your in key scale notes, your in key chord notes, and your highlight current key in MIDI background. Now I know a lot of people won't like this one right here because it skews your perception of your actual MIDI keyboard. I don't really mind it. I'm chill with it, so you know I'll keep it enabled. But that's how you can actually never go out of key, which is awesome.